Hi guys, welcome back to GG Graphic channel. This is where we teach you guys 1 or 2 things about graphic design and also how to become a professional graphic designer. Now we are here to show you how to import pictures on Corel. With all being said, let's get into work. There are many ways on how to import pictures, but I'll show you only 3. First, go to your file. Now go to import. When you click on import, a small box will pop up. That's where you select the picture that you want to import. When you find the picture you want to import, click on it and click on import. Your arrow will change, that means the picture has been copied. All you have to do is just paste it on your worksheet. Second one is this. Right click on your worksheet, it will open an option. Go to the import, it will open the same box. Select the picture and import. And the last but not the least, which is a shortcut, hold Ctrl I, and for people that are using Mac, Command I. It will go straight to the box. All you have to do is just select the picture and import. So guys, this is all we have for today, and please don't forget to smash the like button and also subscribe if this video has been helpful for you, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified for more videos like this. Have a nice day. Love you all.